Hey guys, if you don't have a good microphone dedicated for your PC and would like to use your phone as a mic for your computer, then this video is just for you. All you have to do is go to Play Store and search for WO Mic. This is a small app and you have to install it. So it has been installed. Now you have to open this app and here you will see its user interface. So it has many options, like you can connect your phone to computer using Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi direct, but USB cable is the recommended choice because of its low latency. So it's up to you how you connect your mobile phone with your PC depending upon your available option. But since everyone has a USB cable with their mobile phone, so it's better to use USB cable for this purpose. Now what you have to do is go to your PC or your computer and download the WO Mic client over there. So in order to download the WO Mic client for your PC, you have to just go to this website over here, WO Mic free microphone, and download this app over here. This is the software WO Mic installed for Windows. You have to download it from over here, but you can also download the VC Runtime Redistributable if you don't have this already installed in your PC. Since in my PC I have already installed this one, so I'll go for this one. So once it has been downloaded, you need to install it. Okay, next, and go with the default options, just installing it. So you will have to reboot your computer for these purposes, so I'll meet you after I reboot my PC. So WO Mic has been installed and the computer has been restarted. So this is the WO Mic client, and here when you have to connect this with your mobile phone, use the connection, go to connect, and here you can choose the option with which you want to connect your mobile phone with your computer. So I would like to connect my mobile phone using my USB cable. So let's go click this USB cable, and next what you have to do is connect your mobile phone with your computer using this USB cable. So let's just connect it using this. So here I have connected my mobile phone with USB cable. So my USB cable has been connected to my mobile, and you can easily say that it is prompting me that how to use my USB 4. So I'll just go to file transfer or Android Auto, and next what I have to do is go to settings and about phone. Here I'll have to unlock the developer options. So just connect, I will just tap on this, and now I'm a developer, and when I'll go to additional settings, I'll find developer options here. So here I'll have to unlock the USB debugging options. So now it is warning me that there is a danger when you switch on the USB debugging. So I'm aware of the possible risks, and okay. So now the USB debugging is on. So now what I have to do is just click connect on my WO client. So let's just open the WO app over here, WO Mic. Make sure it is connected with USB, and just click this play button. So it is waiting for connection. So let's just go to PC and connect it. So now it's time for the connection. So make sure your USB cable is connected, mobile phone is in debugging mode, and let's just connect it using this USB cable. Let's click on connect. So it's connecting. Connected. So this means it has been connected with my computer. My mobile phone has been connected. So if you open the sound settings, this is my microphone, default microphone from which I have been speaking, and if I click on it, you can see that WO mic device is available. So here in mobile device, you can see that my mobile phone is saying, my WO mic app is saying it is connected. My PC has also been connected, so whatever you are speaking in your microphone of the phone, it will be available, it will be transferred to your PC. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.